Hey, what's up guys? Here's some dope Android apps that I came across and think you should definitely check out. Let's get started. First off, we have Zip, for all of you who want to stay updated with the latest tech news and trends. It's a very minimal app where all the story headlines are presented in a long list which you can refresh by pulling down on it. Opening any story, you get bits of the article in the middle of the screen and you can continue reading them by tapping on the right. In between, you also get tweets and other sources related to the article and you can also open them. So it's a very simple app to get the latest tech news. Next up, we have an icon pack called Drops. So it has some dope looking tiny icons that have these light colors. They look perfect on a minimal dark home screen. The only issue is that you only get around 500 icons, meaning that some of your apps may be left out unthemed. And there is no icon request tool to solve it. You do get 3 HD wallpapers, but sit tight cause the app gets updated regularly. Here's a neat setup I designed with this icon pack, and you can see it does look pretty good. Now to a photo editor called Pixar. So it's filled with many different tools. You can transform the pic, that is crop it and rotate it. You have tons of different filters to choose from and adjust the filter strength. You can mess around the brightness, contrast, saturation, gamma and clarity. There are many overlays, that is colorful ones, bokehs, lens flares, and you can also change their strength. You can also add stickers, text, draw with the brush and even blur focus. But the main reason I like Pixar is because of the clean design without any ads or extra stuff. After that, we have Tide to help you focus on your tasks. On the screen you basically have the date and a time at the top and a start button at the bottom. Below that is a nice little quote and a wallpaper in the background. Both are changed daily and you can save them to your device or share them to any social media. Swipe to the left to browse through different sounds and music such as rain, forest, muse and cafe. If you go to the focus today, you can see how much you've been performing and mine's pretty bad, so just ignore it. So Tide can help you focus with studying, meditation or any other task that requires continuous concentration. Veronica is an app that comes packed with lots of neon wallpapers related to superheroes and villains. Like you have the entire Avengers available in neon. Under anime you get Goku, One Punch Man, Naruto and more. And you also get Batman, Darth Vader and Punisher. All the wallpapers are available in full HD and tapping on it will give you two options, that is share it or set it as your current wallpaper. So you get a nice collection of walls. Last but not least is Paletta, an awesome color splash tool. So once you open any pic, it's converted to black and white and that shows you the colors that were there on the bottom right. As you select which colors you want, they become visible in the pic as the rest remains monochrome. There's a healing and eraser tool in case you want to manually add or remove colors. So that doesn't work perfectly, but with a little manual tweaking, you can get some amazing edits where colors make a difference.